I bought this crashed MIATA for $1,300. What is wrong with her? It is an NB after facelift with 1.6 liter engine and few rust spots. From what I know, it was crashed at night. When it was parked, the car crashed into the left rear wheel and fender together with the bumper. This perhaps caused only the axle and arms to move. On the car, it will be probably only necessary to repair the axles together with the bodywork. Also to solve the starting corrosion in a few places, which is the trunk lid, both door sills and the right beam near the engine. Of course, the chassis and the wheels need to be replaced, and the rear light will have to be replaced. Among the cosmetic modifications that I will deal with afterwards is polishing the front light, replacing the front bumper with an original one instead of this duck face, replacing the gear knob with a nicer and more reliable one, and removing the style bar or mouse straps. I'd also like to install a wing and a roll cage, but that's a thing for the future. If you are interested in this, you can follow along on the repairs and then the following joyrides.